If your ads aren't converting and you want to make sales by having high quality professional ads for your dropship products, this video is going to blow your mind. I only used the AliExpress videos and images from this listing and turned it into this ad. I'm going to show you how to recreate this ad and show you other options as well so that you too can make all of your ads look like they were professionally done even if you don't have any video editing experience. Before we get into the video, if you like videos about winning products, dropshipping, Shopify themes, apps, and tutorials, do us a favor and hit that subscribe button and turn notifications on. Now, let's get into the video. If you're a dropshipper, especially someone who is just starting out, you may only have access to the photos and videos provided by the AliExpress supplier. You might feel stuck when it comes to video ideas, and maybe the videos you are creating aren't looking as nice as you hoped they would, and more importantly, they aren't converting. This platform that I'm going to show you today is InVideo, and they have kindly sponsored today's video. InVideo has over 5,000 completely customizable templates to choose from so that you never struggle with video ideas again. You can literally create thousands of different video ads using just their templates and the photos and videos provided by AliExpress, but InVideo also gives you access to their stock video library that has over 10 million assets from premium sources like Shutterstock and iStock so that your options are limitless. Also, you will never have another video that says this is clearly an AliExpress product because they have an amazing background remover tool which is going to make all of your ads look like they were professionally done even if you don't have any video editing experience. Let's get into it. First things first, go ahead and sign up for an account with InVideo. To sign up, use the link in our description box and use the code EGEEKS25 for a 25% discount. You can sign up for free and you will get access to 5,000 templates and their standard media library of stock images and videos with a watermark, but I highly recommend upgrading because when you do, you get access to premium templates, you can remove the watermark, you will get the background remover tool, and you will have access to world-class stock footage from premium sources like Shutterstock and iStock. By the way, you can also add an unlimited number of members to a single account, so as you grow and add people to your team, they can all be under your one account. Alright, so here we are on the inside. You can see that you can select wide, square, and vertical videos so that you can make ads to fit whichever platform you're running ads on, whether that be Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or etc. I'm creating videos for TikTok, so I'm going to choose vertical. You can scroll through, and if you want to preview an ad, you just move your mouse over it to watch it. If you like it, make sure to heart it to add it to your favorites. Here are a few favorites that I've selected in case you want to look them up and use the same ones. The first one is named Swift Travel Promo. I love the motion text on this one, plus this one only has 3 photos, so you could easily replace those with your AliExpress ones and finish your ad in about 5 to 10 minutes. I can see this working really well for things like clothing, outdoor equipment, kitchen products, tech, and more. The next one is called Benefits of Calisthenics. I like this one because I feel it would be excellent for problem-solving products. It's all set up with your 5 benefits, so you would just need to swap out that text. The placeholders are also super easy to swap out with your product photos, so this is another great one that would be easy to customize, and highlighting the problems it solves is going to help you with conversions. One more, this one is named Fitness Device Offers. This is another excellent one. It looks really professional. It would be great for tech products, lighting products, jewelry, accessories, and etc. If you're concerned about how you would swap out the watch for your own product, I'm just going to show you really quick because this is honestly amazing. Here's a fidget pen on AliExpress. I've already downloaded the product image and uploaded it to InVideo. If we go back to the editor, I can click Uploads, drag and drop the fidget pen over to the watch, replace, remove background image, and just like that you have this ad that looks like it was professionally made. Alright, let's get into how I made the video that I showed you in the beginning. Here's the AliExpress product I am using. I use the Google Chrome extension AliSave to download the photos. Unfortunately, you cannot download videos without upgrading their extension, but I was able to download the video for free by using the method shown in this video. Once your video and photos have been downloaded, go back to InVideo and find the template named Restaurant Home Delivery. Click on it to edit. You can see here that it comes in multiple different formats, so if you're running a Facebook ad, for example, you could select the 16:9 one instead. The first thing you want to do is click Uploads and upload your photos and videos. The next thing I like to change is my timeline. InVideo has a super powerful yet intuitive editor and timeline that even allows for template switching so you don't have to restart projects from scratch. You can edit scene by scene and then click the drop down to move to the next one, or if you want to see all of your scenes at once, you can click all scenes, which is my personal preference. The first edit I'm going to make is to swap out the spaghetti for a video clip of this product. To do that, drag your video over to the spaghetti and click replace. Now I'm going to drag this until I get to the part of the video that I want to show. Once you see the part you want, drag the other side. And you're going to notice this line here. This is the recommended length, so I'm going to try and get that as close as I can. When you're done, click add. It has it placed a little off screen just like the original ad, but I'm actually going to center it so that we can see the whole thing. They have snap grid lines in here, which is nice, so you can get it perfectly centered. Now if we play it, you can see the video clip in here. You guys can't hear it, but the AliExpress video has music in it, so I can hear both the music from the template and the music from the video. So to mute the AliExpress video, I'm going to click on the video, select volume, and then click here to mute it. The next thing I'm going to edit is the text. Again, this is super simple. Simply double click the text you want to change, erase the placeholder text, and type whatever you want. One of the things that frustrates me with the TikTok editor is that when you're adding text and you set the duration, if you want to edit that text again, you need to wait for the entire video to loop before you can tap on it and edit it. It's a huge time waster. This is 1,000 times better. Alright, just like that, scene 1 is finished. Now let's move on to scene 2. By the way, if you are ever struggling or have questions, InVideo has 24/7 live chat support, and they also have a community of more than 30,000 marketing experts and video creators to seek help and learn from. So if your videos aren't converting, for example, join the InVideo community. You can join by going here, and there you can get feedback on your videos and learn from everyone. Another great resource is their YouTube channel, which you can visit here. I'll include both these links in our description box as well. Alright, this time instead of a video, I'm going to use a photo. So drag the photo of your choice over to the pizza and click replace. Then click remove background, click done, and then from here you can increase or decrease the size and position it however you like. Keep in mind which platform you're making the ad for. So for example, since this is for TikTok, you want to be mindful of where your descriptions and hashtags would be so that your important information isn't covered up. Next up is editing the text. Again, just double click and edit as desired. You have full editing capabilities, so you can change up the font, the size, the colors, and whatever else you want. Alright, scene number 2 is complete. Let's move on to our third and final scene. Here we want to add a call to action. I'm going to say that the 50% off deal is a limited time offer. I'm going to leave the order now button, but if you want to replace it, all you have to do is click stickers, and then you can choose any of these. I'd recommend either looking at the CTA category or the e-commerce category. This part here I'm going to change to my website link. If you don't currently have the option to add a clickable website link in your TikTok bio, this is a great way to direct the viewer to your website where they can purchase your product. Last but not least, we need to swap out the video that is happening in the background. So click Uploads, drag your video over, click Replace, and then I'm going to move this towards the end because at the end you can see all of the different color options that are available. Once again, I'm going to mute the clip, and we are done. All that's left to do now is to download our video. Ready to see it? InVideo is truly an incredible editor. Remember to check out the links in our description box and use eGeeks25 for 25% off. If you like this video, do me a favor and give it a thumbs up or leave me a comment down below. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe. We post a lot of time-sensitive content such as winning products on this channel, so make sure you have notifications turned on so that you can be one of the first to market when we post those videos.